What is going on, guys? Shooting Dave here. So good to see your faces. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new here, you don't know what I'm a photographer from London that now lives here in Los Angeles, and I make photo and video editing tutorials. So if that sounds like something of interest to you, then please do consider subscribing. Now, today's video is going to be a little bit different. You see, normally in photography tutorials, I show you how I edited the image, and that's all fine and good. It's obviously popular with you guys. However, I wanted to do something a little bit different. You see, I got offered the opportunity to photograph a Pagani Huayra at race service. Yep. That's $2.6 million worth of car right there, so obviously I was going to do it. And rather than show you how I edited it, I figured, why not show you how I shot it instead? So basically, I used a Insta360 mounted to a GoPro chest strap. So you're sat right here on my chest, and that means you get to see in real time how I actually went about, first of all, setting up the shot. That's manipulating the environment. Then onto framing, like lensing up the camera, working out what kind of height and angle that I wanted to shoot the car at. And then you get to see me in real time struggle with the lighting conditions and work out how best to light the car. So sit back and enjoy the behind the scenes of how I shot this Pagani Huayra. Oh, so it's just like a belt loop, huh?
Yeah, there's belt loops there. I don't know.
And then
My God.
and then just the right clips.
That's unreal.
It doesn't. It's nutty, isn't it?
Look how well it's packaged in there.
I think you need two people to do the front
Because
it's
that was also when I just looked.
because it's on. This has,
Yeah, the little luggage compartments, yeah, they're rad.
and then it has the. If you push the seat forward, it has
The little suit bag as well.
Yeah.
Oh, and more down there, yeah.
more bags back there.
So they thought about travel, huh? Look at that, that's rad, isn't it? Man, I hope I've got enough room to move around. Yeah. Nah, that's all. That stuff all makes race service. So I never move any of that.
Anything else? Or?
Good. I'll kill the lights when. Oh, could you kill the two spots up there? I think we're gonna need 24mm for this. Let's have a look. Yeah. Do we want to be low?
I think they go off.
Oh, okay. I'll leave them on for now and I'll figure it out. Thank you. I'm thinking lowish. Okay. Let's have a look. Center. Between here. What are we at? 2, 8. Right. That's you. Next thing I need is you. And change the mode to 10 seconds. Okay. And then you 5600 Kelvin, that's fine. And then for the light, have to be done. Right, this is quite high up, so am I going to be able to get my hand above all this? Might need an extension. Like that, like that. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Tighten that again. Okay. See if we can get this going. Nice and high. Back. A couple of seconds too long. I think. How'd that look? Alright, but it's got my arm in it. Lower this down to 7 seconds. Fuck it, why not? Let's have a look how that one came out. Still right in my arm. Much better. Do one for low. Something like that here. I'm liking that. Shadow. Good. Okay. So a different tool this time. Whilst you're watching this behind the scenes, I do hope that you're enjoying it. If you are, give this video a thumbs up. The algorithm loves it. And if you'd like to see more content like this, then please do consider subscribing. Beautiful. I love it. Let's change you back to 10 seconds. Nice and high. Pretty rubbish. A little bit of fill light. Okay, let's do the engine. How'd that come out? Oh, tasty, 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 tasty. Front wheel. There's something around here. Okay, let's have a look. Maybe that'll do. Let's do a shadow. Better. We see the just there. That's probably the one, isn't it? Okay. Oh, we need the blank one as well. Base exposure. Well, there you have it, guys. That was how I shot this image. Now, let me know what you thought down below. I hope you enjoy this kind of content. It's something new that I was trying out, and I'd love to know what you guys thought. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know down below. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I am @ShootingDave. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.